Best skincare options from 7-Eleven. Kung dito ka lang makakabili ng skincare and limited lang ang budget mo, what are the best options to get? Let's find out. So we're here now in 7-Eleven in their branch in Tomas Morato. And ito kasi yung alam kong branch na medyo malaki-laki siya and also meron silang skincare aisle na bigger than usual. Usually kasi kapag pupunta ka ng 7-Eleven, di ba yung aisle is parang ganun lang siya ka-wide. Pero dito medyo mahaba-haba yung aisle niya. Though isang aisle lang siya, medyo nakakapanibago because sa Watsons tayo usually nagsha-shopping. In fairness naman dito, medyo marami-rami yung options niya. So we're going to check it out. Tingnan natin kung makagawa tayo ng skincare routine. And pagpasok na papasok mo pa lang, ayan na nako, Master Facial Wash X. So in fairness sa kanila, from here until the end, meron siyang mga options. Kasi itong dulo nila, nako sis, pedigree, o diba? With niacinamide for the skin. So dog food na pala yung ditong area nila. Iiwan na natin si pedigree dito dahil hindi naman tayo naghahanap ng pagkain at hindi naman tayo aso. So ito mostly yung aisle nila. They have some wipes here, they have some soaps here. In fairness may nakita ko mga skincare brands na usually nakita ko lang sa Watsons. We have Oxycure, we have Bello, Snail White, Kojisan, Olay. Okay, mukhang makakagawa tayo ng routine dito. So before tayo gumawa ng skincare routine, just so you guys know, this is gonna be a routine for me and my skin type is oily acne prone. So kung ganun yung skin type nyo, hopefully meron kayong ma-pick up na mga options and kung malapit kayo sa branch na to, at least alam niyo na. So start muna tayo with our cleanser or face wash. And as you guys know, kapag oily acne prone talaga, the best cleanser is a cleanser na merong salicylic acid. Although nasa 7-Eleven tayo ngayon, so hindi ko sure kung pwede tayong mag-inarte ng ganun. Pero actually baka meron kasi meron namang Oxycure dito. So I'm hoping they have the face wash. Alright, so nakikita ko meron silang blue na moisturizer. Nandito din yung green na moisturizer nila. And, oh my gosh, nagtatago siya rito, guys. I think this is the last stock. So, swerte tayo today. So, for those who don't know, I'm sure marami na sa inyong may alam nito. It's the Oxycure Acne Clear Facial Cleanser. This one has 1.5% salicylic acid. At tagal ko nang nire-recommend to. And dahil nakita natin siya dito, hindi pwedeng hindi natin siya kukunin. So we're gonna get this one. As I explained in my other videos, ito, aside from yung 1.5% salicylic acid niya, this also has oat amino micellar complex, which is basically parang yung mga cleansing agents infused with oat extract, which is soothing sa skin. So perfect na perfecto. In fairness parang very widely available siya. Lagi ko siya nakikita sa mga Watsons, pero meron din siya dito sa 7-Eleven. I'm sure sa department stores meron din siya. Hindi nga mali yung sinasabi ko na this is one of the most accessible brands na anti-acne. So, kukunin natin to. Let's just look for a basket. Meron ba ditong basket? Ay, walang basket, pero si Adea. Ade, ano ginagawa mo dito? Tambay lang? Dito ka usually tumatambay. Nakakaloka naman. Ayan, so meron na tayong basket. Balik na tayo sa aisle. Now, I'm just curious, aside from Oxycure, I wonder if may other gentle cleansers sila. Medyo hindi ko tinataasan yung expectations ko because, again, this is a 7-Eleven after all. Pero, nandito din yung blue ni Oxycure, yung Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser nila. So, this one is the parang just gentle cleanser version of nung green, as you guys know. Meron yung Dove, so usually if gumagamit ka ng mga ganitong products on your face, kasi may mga iba ayaw nila gamitin sa face, pero meron namang iba, oo. So it's really up to you, pero this is an option here. It's 83 pesos. Oh, meron din siyang Celotex. Fairness this is a really good option also if you're looking for just a gentle cleanser. And as you guys know, ang tagal-tagal ko na rin itong minimension sa mga videos ko. It's one of those cleansers na pinakamura yung price per ml niya. Though, hindi naman to yung super malaking packaging. But this one, I think mga nasa 100 to 150 pesos. And this is already 60 ml. This could also be an option. Okay, but now that we have a cleanser, let's now look for our other skincare essential. Obviously, kapag umaga, kailangan natin ng sunscreen. And I think meron na agad akong option dahil merong Belo dito. In fairness talaga sa branch na to So this is the Belo Sun Expert na, ito yung whitening variant nila na sunscreen. Just a very unpopular opinion, this is my least favorite variant na sunscreen nila because yung term na whitening, again, it's not so much an accurate term. Meron kasi itong niacinamide which helps fade dark spots. Like I said sa mga earlier videos ko, this is probably better called the Belo Brightening or Belo Lightening sunscreen, but not really the whitening because hindi naman necessarily whitening siya. This is also PA2+, so pwede na, pero kung meron tayong makitang mas high ang protection, I also want to mention those as options. Pero dahil medyo reliable na sunscreen talaga si Belo, let's put that here for now and let's see kung may other options pa tayong makita. Oh, si Koji-san also has a sachet sunscreen here, yung sport nila. Although, I haven't tried this yet, so hindi ko pa siya ma-recommend sa inyo. This one though is 85 pesos for SPF 50 PA3+. So, pwede. Tapos water resistant pa siya and, well, quick absorb. Hindi ko sure kung accurate yon kasi hindi ko pa siya na-try. But that's one option for you. And dahil merong snail white dito, tingnan natin kung meron sila nung SPF 30 nila na yung parang 2-in-1 moisturizer and sunscreen na siya. I think meron dito. Yung Glow Up Duo. So meron na siyang serum and meron na rin siyang yung 2-in-1 moisturizer and sunscreen niya na SPF 30 PA3+. Actually, dalawa pala tong hawak ko. So, ayan siya. Meron din tayong two other interesting options that I actually have tried already before. So, first, we have itong Snail White Gold na anti-aging day cream. So, medyo similar din siya sa pink, pero this one, medyo significantly less yung tone-up effect niya compared dun sa pink. So, this could be a good option. Ito, magkano ba to? It's 119 pesos. And another high protection sunscreen that I found here is Sola. Yung daily screen nila, ito SPF 50+, PA4+. Mataas yung protection nito. So, mamaya na natin i-compare yung price nila, pero for now, lagay natin siya sa basket as part of our options. And also, hindi ko siya kukunin for this video kasi parang naka-isang ganito lang siya. But itong Oxycure Daily Sunscreen, this is also a good option if gusto mo ng 2-in-1 moisturizer and sunscreen for acne-prone skin. Although wala akong makitang individual niya, parang naka-box lang. So, baka maubos yung budget natin because again, our budget for this video is just 1,000 pesos for a day and night routine. So, magtipid tayo ng konti. So, muna yung options natin for sunscreen. And now that we're done with our day routine, let's now move on to some options. Try natin kung meron tayong mapipilian for a nighttime routine. Nako, ang hula ko is baka merong niacinamide dito. Baka lang, hindi ko sure. Pero kung may exfoliants pa tayong mahanap, why not, diba? Oh my God, parang meron talaga. Yes, oh my God. Snail White, in fairness okay, very accessible din. So a lot of you guys in the community already know this. It's the Snail White Glow Potion na AHA BHA toner. And for the longest time, hindi ko ma-recommend to ng mabilisan because hindi ko alam yung percentage niya of AHA and BHA. But si Snail White finally disclosed it. This is actually a 2% BHA na toner. And I think yung AHA niya around 1 to 2%. Parang more of hydrating lang siya. So in fairness meron palang exfoliant sa 7-Eleven na hindi Eskinol. Very shady tayo kay Eskinol, pero nakakaloka kasi siya. Charot. I think I wanna put this in my basket. Add to cart lang muna natin siya, pero hindi pa natin sure kung i-check out siya, kung may budget tayo or wala. So tingnan natin. Alright, and I think I also found another serum na pwede for dark spots. Actually, kaka-mention ko lang to sa previous shopping video ko. Yan, the Koji-san Super Serum. Again, really good serum for dark spots kasi it combines niacinamide and kojic acid. So these two ingredients, they work hand in hand because yung niacinamide, it's an ingredient na, alam niyo na, maraming benefits across different skin types. It also targets and addresses inflammation. Kaya kapag red mark man yan or dark spot, it's a very good ingredient to have. Plus yung kojic acid, alam niyo na, it's again better in a leave-on product kesa sa soap. And specifically, nakatulong talaga siya in preventing dark spots from becoming darker. So, kunin natin to. Feeling ko kukunin natin to. So, i-add to cart na natin siya. Punta tayo dito sa may mga, sa mga sachets nila. Baka meron pa. Oh, si Pond's, meron siyang, si Niasourcinol, meron siyang serum na naandito. And actually, I don't know if marirelease na yung TikTok review ko of this product, but just isa-spoiler ko na lang para sa inyo dahil nanonood naman kayo sa YouTube. So this serum, I actually like the consistency of it, and in fairness naman sa results niya, it's very clinically proven. Ang hindi ko lang masyadong nagugustuhan sa product na to is medyo malakas yung amoy niya. So kung sensitive kayo sa malakas na scents, then this probably is not for you. Otherwise, okay din siya na serum for dark spots, helping brighten your skin. It combines niacinamide with 4-ethyl resorcinol, which is a proven combination na nakakatulong siya in brightening the skin. So again, not an option for those na sensitive yung skin, pero dahil limited lang din naman yung options natin, ilagay na rin natin siya. And oh my gosh, they even have acne patches here. And I don't know kung alam nyo na, pero this is my favorite acne patch brand sa Watsons. Hindi ko alam na meron pala siya sa 7-Eleven. It's the Derma Angel Acne Patches. Though this one is the night variant, mas gusto ko yung daytime na variant. Hindi ko alam kung meron siya, pero ayun, mukhang tingnan muna natin kung available ba yun. No packs, no strips. I don't think worth it siya, especially given a limited budget. So tingin pa tayo. I think yun na siya. I think these two are my top serums already na nahanap ko dito. So again, niacinamide serums because maraming benefits talaga ang niacinamide sa skin natin. Both are really good for dark spots, both very proven. Although si Pond, sinasabi niya na better daw siya than kojic acid. But kojic acid is also a very proven ingredient. So it's really up to you, up to your budget. Medyo may amoy din to, pero mas malakas yung amoy nito. Pero let's decide later. So now that we have our cleanser, our sunscreen, our serums, let's now move on to a very underrated part ng isang skincare routine, our moisturizers. And yes, kahit oily skin ako, it is still recommended by derms to use a moisturizer. I know there was a statement already by Dr. Rabello herself na ang moisturizers daw, she doesn't like it, but she did clarify it in another post. Actually, matagal na to eh. I think marami nang na-clarify doon sa sinabi niya. Basically, she clarified na kapag oily skin ka, it's just better to avoid yung mga sobrang thick, na waxy, na makapal talaga na moisturizers. But, especially ngayon, marami na rin namang mga moisturizers that are made specifically for oily skin. As in, sobrang nag-advance na talaga ang technology natin sa skincare, guys. So, don't be afraid to use moisturizers. Just remember to use the right moisturizer for you. And ito ang job naming mga skincare content creators to really find the lightweight moisturizers na babagay sa oily skin. Especially ako dahil oily na oily ang aking skin. Pwede na siyang kunan ng langis ng ibang mga bansa. Charot. Okay, so some options that we have the Eye White Aqua Moisturizer. Na-review ko na rin to dati. Si Eye White talaga, marami siyang variants of iba't ibang mga kinds of moisturizers. But they have the blue one only here, I think. Si Oxycure, again, kompletong-kompleto talaga siya sa branch na to, in fairness. Meron siyang oil control moisturizer. Si Master, obviously, walang moisturizer. Charot. Sorry na lang talaga kay Master. Binabash ko na siya sa video na to, charot. Oh, they also have Nivea cream here. So, eto, multi-purpose, pero I would only recommend this if your skin is dry. Kapag oily ka, stay away from this because medyo mabigat siya na moisturizer. But if your skin is dry, pwede mo siyang gamitin on the face kung hiyang ka and also on the body. Era is the sister brand of Eye White. Meron din silang mga moisturizers, although medyo maliit lang siya. It's the Stellar No Oil Face Gel. This is a gel type moisturizer na mattifying yung finish. You can also use this as a primer. So sa mga makeup girlies dyan, if emergency situation kayo, you can also use this one as an emergency primer. Glow drops. Actually, ito pala. I forgot to mention, this is technically a niacinamide serum. Although, I don't think they mention kung ilang percent yung niacinamide niya. But nonetheless, it's an option if kailangan nyo lang talaga ng niacinamide. So, si Olay, meron din pala siyang night cream with niacinamide on the 3rd of its ingredients list. So, not bad na yun. So, this is a night cream from Olay. It's their Luminous Light Perfecting Night Cream. Actually, I haven't tried this yet, pero very interesting siya. I can't, of course, recommend it to you guys yet, but this is an option that you can consider, or kung meron nakatry, let me know in the comments kung meron na nakatry ng product na to. But yeah, this is an option that could be good for you too. Actually, si niasorcinol din pala ni Pond's, I forgot to mention, meron din silang moisturizer versions nung niasorcinol products nila. Sa buong line nila actually, even more than the serum, mas nagugustuhan ko yung moisturizers nila because this is technically a 2-in-1 already na parang serum and moisturizer. But again, malakas lang talaga yung amoy niya. Pareho yung amoy ng cleanser, ng serum, ng moisturizer niya. Although again, proven naman yung niasourcinol na technology nila. Yun lang talaga yung hindi ko masyadong magamit siya palagi because malakas yung amoy. Although I do have to say, yung texture ng dalawang products na to, okay na okay talaga siya for oily skin. Especially itong detox, as in just a mattifying moisturizer to your skin. So, in fairness talaga sa kanya. Alam mo, lagay na natin siya as an option. Again, di ako fan ng sobrang lakas na amoy, but limited lang ang ating options. So, sige na. Sige na, fans, dahil ano kayo, makulit. Alright, so more or less, yun na yung routine natin. Pero dahil nga merong Oxycure dito, hindi natin makakalimutan, this is part of every acne-prone skincare routine. Dahil nga nandito si Oxycure, we're gonna get our spot treatment. And of course, alam nyo na yung spot treatment of choice ko ni Oxycure. And I think, probably yun lang naman yung meron nila dito. Kasi diba tatlo yung spot treatments ni Oxycure. Yung lotion, yung potion naman ata yung tawag nila doon with the letter P. Pero of course, ang sure na sure akong available dito. Ay, naka-promo pa sis. Oh, 2 + 1 free of the Oxycure Acne Clear Powder Mud. Nako, countless videos ko na to mini-mention. So, kailangan natin siyang kunin. Lalo na't naka-promo pa siya. And I think huli na ata to eh. Wala nang iba. As in, pag tinitingnan ko yung mga stocks nila dito, sunscreen, moisturizer, serum, last na to. I think it's the sign from the universe na kunin na natin siya. Okay, and I think yun na yung routine natin, pero marami-rami siya, so kailangan nating pumili before tayo pumunta sa cashier kasi feeling ko lagpas 1,000 na to. So, punta tayo doon kung saan pwede tayong umupo and pagpilian natin yung skincare routine. Okay, so ito na yung final routine natin before tayo magbayad. Final answer na talaga. And ito na rin yung pagkasunod-sunod nila if curious kayo kung paano gamitin yung routine na to or how I would use it. This is how I would. Alright, so first, let's start with the Oxycure Acne Clear Facial Cleanser. Ito gagamitin ko to every morning. And then yung nighttime naman na cleanser natin, kung medyo sensitive yung skin nyo, itong kay Celatec Hydration na Face Wash. Next naman yung serum natin. This is the Kojisan Super Serum. Actually, parang ilang videos ko na to na-mention. I think this is the 3rd video na na-mention ko na to. Again, another great option kung meron kayong dark spots if you wanna prioritize brightening. Next, for our moisturizer, ito na lang yung pinili ko. It is a day cream, pero pwede mo rin naman siya technically gamitin sa gabi. This is the Pond's Niasourcinol na Serum Day Cream Detox. So yung detox is a bit more matte for oily skin types. And then, for our spot treatment sa gabi, itong Oxycure Acne Clear Powder Mud. Again, matagal nyo na itong alam, paparating na pimple na nandyan na, pimple na pagaling na, pimple na ayaw mo maging dark spot. This is a really, really good option to put kapag gabi. Kasi sa umaga, puting-puti siya, baka makita ang puti, di ba? And then lastly, of course, our sunscreen na hindi natin tinitipid, it's our Bello Sun Expert na sunscreen. So actually, naging ganito yung routine natin because of certain mga availability ng mga stocks nila dito. But in an ideal world, kung isa lang yung nila dito, kung meron lang na parang isang sachet ng powder mud, this is gonna be 99 pesos. So actually, baka meron ka pang budget to put in yung snail white na exfoliant. So kung may extra budget ka, highly recommend you guys to add this to your routine. Kasi nga, buy one take one na siya. And honestly, yung ganito, kahit na maliit siya, yung ganito namang toner, kahit na mga 2-3 times a week mo lang siya gamitin, okay na eh. Tsaka sa gabi lang, tapos ilang ganun lang. You don't really need to put it on a cotton pad na sobrang nalulunod na siya, tapos ilalagay mo sa face mo. So, ayan. Ito yung recommend ko kung meron pa kayong extra budget. And success! Meron na tayong under 1,000 or saktong 1,000 na skincare routine from 7-Eleven that you can use day and night. And again guys, kapag gusto niyo pang makita yung mga products na binili natin sa 7-Eleven, nilagay ko na sila lahat sa description box para mas mabilis niyo silang hanapin kung wala kayong time para bumili online. And just a little surprise for you guys, dahil nga shopping video to as promised, I will be giving this away also. And sinama ko na rin yung ibang mga products na niligwak ko, including yung mga sunscreens na hindi natin kinuha as well as yung snail white na exfoliant. Oh, bugs, diba? Dahil nga ipamimigay ko na to sa inyo and for you to be able to try more sunscreen products and kung kailangan nyo talaga ng exfoliant, yung routine na to actually naging 1.5 na siya. Pero dahil nga binibigay ko naman siya sa inyo, let's be generous kahit na hindi Christmas. Wow! And also guys, if you want more information on how to win this, ilalagay na lang namin sa description box. Doon yung malalaman lahat ng mga mechanics. So yes, success tayo sa video na to. And if you did enjoy this video and you want me to do more shopping videos, let me know sa comments kung ano yung next na routine na gusto nyong bilhin ko, kung magkanong budget. Pero syempre, hindi naman natin kaya ng sobrang konting-konting budget. So maybe 500, 1,000. But let me know what kind of routine you want me to do next. Maybe a body routine dito sa 7-Eleven or kung gusto nyo bumalik ako sa Watsons, pwede din tayo bumili ng mga routines doon. But for now, if you want more content like this, gumawa na rin ako ng iba't ibang mga shopping videos that I will put here na you might want to watch as well. So as usual guys, thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye!